teachers. So if you're like me, you sometimes get frustrated with the Google apps because you get logged out randomly and maybe you don't have your phone on you or your phone has no signal. This is a way to get codes that you can download and have them ready in case you get locked out of Google. So here's what it looks like. Here's the problematic part where you're signing in and it wants a two-step verification. Well, you can just click on try another way, and then you can click on enter one of your 8-digit backup codes. Okay, so that's what the problem looks like. It starts here, you go here, and here's how to solve it. First, you go to Google Chrome. You click on this little symbol in the top right hand side of your screen. It's got three dots. Go down to settings. Make sure that you are at the very top left in your settings. It says you and Google, and go down to manage your Google account. Okay, it's going to welcome you. Go to security, which is on the left hand side under home, personal info, data, and privacy. So click on security. It's going to ask you to sign in again. That's totally normal. Then click on two-step verification. You're going to have to, once you've logged in, you're going to have to scroll down on this security screen. You got to log in one more time. Go down to backup codes. Click on it, and it's going to give you a list of 8-digit backup codes. Go ahead and select all the text, all of the codes. They all have 8 digits with a hyphen in the middle of them. Select them, copy, and then paste them maybe into a secure document that you have on your computer, or you could take a picture on your phone and then hide that picture so that people can't access your codes, and keep it in a safe spot. Then when you come to this two-step verification and you click try another way, you can hit the button that says enter one of your 8-digit backup codes and enter one of those codes. So again, this is all to keep you from having to access your phone if you're in a building that doesn't have good reception, or if you can't get to your phone right away, if it's in another room far from you in the school. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck.